Welcome to Home Pros Group, your trusted partner for comprehensive cleaning services. Serving the greater Edmonton area, we specialize in duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, insulation removal, gutter cleaning, and coil cleaning for commercial, industrial, and residential settings. For mechanical companies, we offer full HVAC cleaning services, dryer vent cleaning, and coil cleaning. Our proprietary vacuum system allows us to generate powerful suction at thousands of feet, ensuring thorough cleaning even in high-rise buildings. This means your HVAC systems will run more efficiently and last longer. Contact us today for your mechanical cleaning needs at 780-932-7337. Property managers can rely on Home Pros Group for a range of services including duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, coil cleaning, gutter cleaning, and insulation removal. Our advanced vacuum system handles large pieces of insulation quickly and efficiently, saving you time and reducing disruption to your tenants. Get in touch with us now to discuss your property management cleaning requirements. 780-932-7337. Disaster restoration companies turn to us for comprehensive cleaning solutions. Whether it's duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, coil cleaning, or insulation removal, our proprietary system ensures rapid and effective results. We help you restore properties to their best condition swiftly. For expert disaster restoration cleaning services, 780-932-7337. Commercial customers can benefit from our full suite of services, including duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, insulation removal, and coil cleaning. Our powerful vacuum system can tackle even the toughest jobs, ensuring a clean and safe environment for your business operations. Reach out to us today for your commercial cleaning needs. 780-932-7337. Homeowners Trust. Home Pros Group for reliable duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, insulation removal, gutter cleaning, and coil cleaning. Our innovative vacuum system provides superior cleaning performance, making your home healthier and more comfortable. Contact us now to improve your home environment. 780-932-7337. At Home Pros Group, we're committed to delivering exceptional service with our state-of-the-art equipment and experienced team. Serving the greater Edmonton area within a 60-kilometer radius, we're here to meet all your cleaning needs.